ADFC Bead. There were 18 partnerships of 50 plus runs in this tournament and 2 partnerships of 100 plus runs in this tournament. There were 5 maiden overs. I don't know who are the persons who bowled the 5 maiden overs. Then 1304 were the dot balls. 76 catches were taken in this tournament, along with 15 stumpings, and boundary percentage overall was 55.6%. Excellent batting performance by everyone who has participated in this tournament. The overall boundary frequency was, there was a boundary for every 6th ball in the match, every 6th ball. And the dot ball frequency was only 2.45% in the tournament. So that tells you the summary how the veterans play their cricket. They are not veterans, but they are experienced cricketers overall, and they play with the zeal of cricket. Ultimate winner is cricket, the game of cricket. A team game, truly a team game. We'll start with the match presentation of the Platinum Cup finals. Unfortunately, the United CC of Vijayawada, they could not score more runs, but they have given an excellent fight for the score they have done of 95 runs, and they have taken 7 wickets of the opponents for the score of 96. Excellent. The man of the match for his excellent performance of 4 overs, 20 runs and 3 wickets is Mr. Mahakali. I request Shanand sir, our president, to present the honor to Mr. Mahakali. Excellent bowling, Kali sir. You are an inspiration to all the youngsters who are watching here. Wow, what a slogan. Excellent slogan there. And the Game Changer Award for the blistering 23 runs goes to Mr. Rakesh. Lovely innings, Rakesh. You planned your innings. You struggled earlier, but you could get the 23 runs, which is the maximum score of this match actually. Now we will go with the tournament presentation. The best batter of the tournament goes to Mr. Gopal Gurkude of ADFC Bead. He has scored 256 runs in 4 innings. Gopal Gurkude with a century against Vijayawada, 126 not out. Unfortunately, he is not available. He has left.
I will take it on his behalf.
Someone has to collect on his behalf. Please, I request someone to come and collect the award on his behalf.
आइए सर, come on. आप मेरे को दो. मैं लेता हूँ. बैट भी है सर. हाँ. बैट भी दूँगा. Best batsman award to Mr. Gopal Gurkude.
Gopal Gurkude of Bead, 256 runs of 4 innings. And the best bowler award goes to Mr. Sheikh Sadiq of Nanded for taking 9 wickets in his 4 innings. The second is none other than our Parimal Reddy, who has taken 7 wickets in 4 innings. I request Parimal to please come on the dais.
పరిమల్ సార్ షూస్ బి డాడీ ఆల్ మీద 2 ఇంచులు ఉంటాడు అంతే ట్రోఫీ उसके
Congratulations. And the best fielder award, it includes even the wicket keepers who are struggling behind the wicket and doing good. I congratulate Mr. Sanjay CT, our partner, for getting the best fielder award for 8 dismissals in 4 innings. Wicket keeper. Well done, Sanjay. Well done, Sanjay. You make it a habit. You are making a habit of bagging the best fielder award and best wicket keeper award in every tournament. Now I request Mahankali sir to please come and have a few words about the tournament and his team performance.
పైకి కన్నా ఉండు సంజయ్ పక్కకి గిలించు అదే ఒక్కడే
और एक मैं वहाँ है रे
इनको बोलना क्या बोलना कुछ
క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగండి సార్ మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచి
क्वेश्चंस ఎందుకో let him talk about the tournament.
Congratulations, Khalid, for coming, to the final. Certainly it was an unfortunate. Yeah, थोड़ा आवाज बड़ा है.
आपका आवाज बड़ा
मेरा आवाज बड़ा है. So, Khalid, how do you find about this tournament? Just give your views about this tournament first of all. Later on, I'll talk to you regarding this. The matches what we have played. Yeah, please give me some view about the tournament over here. How do you find, participating in this tournament as such? Yeah.
టోర్నమెంట్ అయితే చాలా చక్కగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసాం. చాలా ఆర్గనైజింగ్ అయితే మాత్రం చాలా బాగుంది, గుడ్. అలాగే ప్రతి మ్యాచ్ కూడా మాకు రన్ రేట్తో కొట్టడం, అసలు ప్రతి మ్యాచ్ చాలా థ్రిల్లింగ్ ఉంది. బట్ ఫైనల్ కూడా చాలా థ్రిల్లింగే ఉంది. మేము చేసింది 94 స్కోర్ అయినా కూడా మ్యాక్సిమం ఆ చేతిలోకి వచ్చింది అనుకున్నాం. సేమ్ ఫస్ట్ మ్యాచ్లో ఇలాగే మాకు కూడా మైనస్ అయిపోయింది ఇది కూడా. సో ఈ ఫ్లడ్లైట్స్ ఆడటం కానీ, ఇలాంటి వాతావరణంలో మ్యాచెస్ ఆడటం కానీ చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ స్పోర్ట్ క్రికెట్ ఆడటం వల్ల అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనకి చాలా ఫ్రీగా హ్యాపీగా అన్నీ మర్చిపోయి చాలా గేమ్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయడం, ఈ టైంలో ఈ ఫ్లడ్లైట్స్ ఆడడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది మాకైతే మాత్రం. సో గేమ్ కూడా చాలా మంచి క్రికెట్ ఆడాం. మంచి మేము కొట్టిన తక్కువ స్కోర్ అయినా కూడా వాళ్ళకే మంచి ఫైట్ ఇచ్చాం. సో దానివల్ల ఇంకా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. గెలిపోవడం అనేది కామన్, అది ఒక గెలిస్తే ఓడిపోతాం. కానీ క్రికెట్ అనేది ఫైట్ ఇచ్చామో లేదనేది చాలా బాగా ఆడాం. మా వాళ్ళు అయితే చాలా సూపర్ ఫీల్డింగ్ కానీ అంత ఇది కానీ సూపర్, చాలా బాగా ఆడారు. అద్భుతం. ఓకే, కిరీటి అండ్ షేర్ కనన్న మంచి సపోర్ట్ చేశారు మాకు. అలాగే గ్రేట్ బాల్ బై శ్రీకాంత్, చాలా బాగా ఆడాం. చాలా క్రికెట్ చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేసాం, చాలా హ్యాపీ.
Thank you so much. And further, how was your experience playing with the ping ball cricket? I think most of us have played for the first time over here in the ping ball. Maybe most of us.
ఫ్లడ్లైట్స్లో ఫస్ట్ టైం పింక్ బాల్ ఆడటం మేము కూడా. సో దానివల్ల కొంచెం అయితే మాకు కూడా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. కొట్టినప్పుడు ఈ బాల్ సైట్ అవ్వకపోవడం కొంచెం ఫస్ట్ టైం. మా వాళ్ళు చాలామంది ఫస్ట్ టైం పింక్ బాల్తో ఆడటం, వైట్ బాల్తో ఆడాం కానీ పింక్ బాల్తో ఫస్ట్ టైం ఆడటం. సో దానివల్ల కొంచెం మాకు మీకంటే కంటిన్యూగా ఆడుతుంటారు కాబట్టి మీకు కొంచెం అలవాటు ఉంటుంది. సేమ్ ప్లస్ మీ ఓన్ వికెట్ ఇది ప్లస్ డైలీ రెగ్యులర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఉంటుంది నైట్. మేము పింక్ బాల్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ టైం ఆడటం ఇది.
Even for us, it was the first time. Even for the first time, we have played with the ping ball.
ఓకే,
Under
పింక్
floodlights.
పింక్ బాల్ అయినా ఏ బాల్ అయినా ఫస్ట్ వికెట్ అనేది మీకు రెగ్యులర్ ఆడుతుంది కదా, సో వికెట్ ఫేవర్ అనేది కొంచెం కొద్ది గొప్ప మీకు ఉంటుంది కదా.
సరే సరే అది
అట్లా
వదిలేసి
ఏం లేదండి సార్.
అది వదిలే.
సెంటర్ వికెట్, we never play on the center wicket. That's it.
ఓకే, వికెట్ ఎలా మంచి క్రికెట్ ఆడాం, మాకు కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. సో మంచి క్రికెట్ ఆడాం.
Okay, I think you have played a fantastic cricket. The match what you have played against Bede, scoring 100 plus runs in 10 overs. It was a very thrilling for us also to see as a spectator. It was a very thrilling for us. Yeah. It was a well executed match and well planned by Kiriti and Sheru also in the evening, in the end particularly. And though it was a little, it was raining and the ground was even slippery, still you find the way through and you have scored that 100 plus runs, and it was a really thrilling win for you.
10 ఓవర్లో 1 or 2 కొట్టడం అనేది చాలా కష్టంగా అనిపించింది మాకు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ గ్రీజ్లోకి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళు 1 బాల్ 2 బాల్ ఆడిన తర్వాత కొడుతుంటే ఇది చాలా ఈజీ అనిపించింది. వాళ్ళు కొడుతుంటే SRH మన హైదరాబాద్ టీం కొడుతుంటే అనిపించింది మాకైతే మాత్రం. ఆ 1 or 2 అనేది మనం నితీష్ రెడ్డి అలాంటి రానా అలాంటి ప్లేస్ చూసినట్టుంది ఆ షాట్లన్నీ. సో ఆ మ్యాచ్ మాత్రం మేము చాలా 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 ఎంజాయ్ చేసాం. ఆ షాట్లు కొడతా ఉంటే బయట పడతా ఉంటే అసలు అమేజింగ్, చూస్తుంటే అలా చూడాలనిపిస్తుంది. ఇంకా 4 ఓవర్లు ఉంటే బాగుంది అనిపించింది ఆ రోజు.
ఫస్ట్లో ఆడద్దన్నారు, ఫస్ట్లో వద్దు వద్దు అన్నారు.
Anyhow, what was your planning for today's match, sir? And what has gone wrong in today's match? What has gone wrong? Actually, ఈ మ్యాచ్
ఓకే, ఈ మ్యాచ్ మేము ఓడిపోవడం కారణం టాప్ ఆర్డర్లో ఒక్కరు కూడా ఆడకపోవడం ఈ మైనస్. ఫస్ట్ 2-3 వికెట్స్ పట్టడం, కొంచెం మా వాళ్ళు కూడా సేఫ్ జోన్లోకి వెళ్ళారు. ఆ సేఫ్ జోన్ని అపోనెంట్ టీం క్యాష్ చేసుకుంది. సో అపోనెంట్ టీం బాగా వేసారు బౌలింగ్, సో వాళ్ళు అప్రిషియేట్ చేయాలి. మేము బాగా ఆడలేకపోయాం వాళ్ళంతే.
ఈవెన్ బౌలింగ్లో కూడా మీరు చాలా మంచిగా బౌలింగ్ చేశారు. సో దెర్ వాజ్ ఎనీ ప్లానింగ్ ఫర్ కంటైన్ ద అపోజిషన్ వైల్ బౌలింగ్ ఆల్సో? ఏం ప్లానింగ్ మీరు చేశారు?
గేమ్ ప్లాన్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ బాగానే చేసాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫస్ట్ బాల్స్ ఇచ్చాం, వాళ్ళు కొడుతున్నారు, నెక్స్ట్ స్పిన్నర్స్ రావాలనుకున్నాం. సో అలా కంటిన్యూ చేసాం. కానీ మైనస్ ఏంటంటే మాకు ఇంకొక స్పిన్నర్ ఉంటే మ్యాక్సిమం మ్యాచ్ కొట్టే వాళ్ళం ఏమో అయి ఉండొచ్చు. ఇంకో వన్ మోర్ స్పిన్నర్ ఉంటే, అది ఒక స్పిన్నర్ మైనస్. సో దానివల్ల లాస్ ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం.
Nevertheless, you have come.
ఇది ఇచ్చే, ఈ మైక్ ఇచ్చే.
Nevertheless, you've come to the final, and it was a fantastic final that you have given for all the spectators over here. We are, as a outside the boundary, we were thrilled to see the match. It was a very seesaw one, and finally, anyhow, means since it's a cricket game, one has to win, one has to lose, as you said rightly. I must congratulate you for giving us the thrilling matches throughout the tournament. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Now I request our business partner from HACO, Mr. Abhijit, to take the stage, and I request Kali sir to stay back for the lifting of the runners-up trophy of Platinum Cup PBA Cup 2025 Pink Ball Tournament.
నెక్స్ట్ సార్.
I request United CC team to join Mr. Mahankali for lifting the trophy. The stage is yours now.
ఫోటో ఇక్కడ రా. రెడీ. కిడ్స్ కిడ్స్ కింద ఏమన్
సరే వెనకాల మీరు పొడుక్కున్నారు కానీ రావట్లే ఆ వెనకాల ఆయన కూడా రావట్లే మీ ముందు ఆయన కూడా రావట్లే
ఒకటే ఉంది కదా ఒకటే
Man and the media people to wait for Hemant.
అన్న మీరు కూర్చో
Please join. Hemant, please join.
అన్న నువ్వు ఓకే
Kiriti and Sheru, well played. You have won single-handedly the last previous two matches. The rain-affected match by Kiriti and yesterday's morning match by Sheru. Beautiful innings of Sheru, scoring 50 not out of just 26 balls.
23
Now I request the VF captain, Mr. Sandeep Kumar, to please come onto the dais, and I hand over the mic to Shailendra for having an interaction with Mr. Sandeep.
Congratulations, Sandeep sir, for a fantastic win in PBA Cup 2025. So you have made it habit, if I'm not wrong, to win all the PBA Cups over here. And it was an. I hope you must have enjoyed the entire journey of this PBA Cup. I would like to hear from you on this.
Yeah, for us, this cup was especially very, very important because the last tournament that we played, we were the winners. So we came here as a defending champion, and we were very happy with the way things have gone. One thing that is very, very sure for us in VHawk is the VHawk passion. We believe that whatever you do,
Please continue, sir.
yeah. So as I was saying, one thing is very common with us in VHawk. Whatever we do with passion, right? So that also transcended into our cricketing, stuff. So when we played on the ground, we knew that we are playing with passion, and a lot of dedication and commitment that came from the team, and a wonderful gelling team is what we have today. So we are very proud that we have such nice players with us. For us, any victory is very easy.
In fact, you were in one of the, and out of these two pools, your pool was quite tough pool, right? What was your planning from the day one in that case?
We knew that if we are able to get victory from strongest teams like Nanded, like Green Space and Nellore, of course, we knew that if we get to win with them once, we don't encounter them next. So next match that we play finals will obviously be from Pool B. So for us it was very simple that you stick to your basics, play every match as the first match that you are playing, and that is what we exactly did.
And bowling out tough teams like Nanded and bowling out tough team like Vijayawada below 100, it was a commendable job. Fantastic wins for you. But still, I would like to know how, what was the planning to go and face a team like Nanded and Vijayawada?
Yeah, so as we said, for us every game was unique. Every game, we came with the strategy to keep our basics right, and that's what we played. There was not much difference that we had in terms of our squad or in terms of batting lineup or bowling lineup. We did not do too much experiments. So we stick to our basics, and it has proved that it works.
Congratulations once again, Sandeep sir. It was a fantastic win. Yeah, so my colleague Mr. Santosh, he wants to know that your views about the tournament, about the arrangements, they have been done. Please give your reviews, or please share some few words about this.
This tournament is very well planned, very well organized. Very happy with the way sponsors have helped, in sponsoring the right things. I have also had a word with the other teams who had been here, and everybody was very happy with the facilities that we had, the kind of infrastructure that we gave, and the hospitality that we had. So I'm sure, it goes a long way, and kudos to the organizing committee of a work very well done.
These words have inspired us, and we are planning to have the next edition of PVA in Goa. Okay, so I am looking forward teams, all the teams to support us and participate in the next edition, which is to be happened in Goa. Mostly we are trying to do it in the month of November or in the month of January. So I hope you all are waiting for the next edition for this.
Yes, as defending champions, we go wherever you take us.
That's great. That's great, sir. Chalo, congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Please be here, sir. I request Mr. Abhijit from HACO to come forward and hand over the winners trophy to V-Hawk, Mr. Sandeep.
Just a small appreciation I would like from all the individuals. I think my team has left it back. I would really thank Mahesh. Once again, Mahesh and Lakshman for preparing beautiful batting wickets, guys. Excellent batting wickets, which you will never get anywhere else. Every single day they work their heart out, morning 5 a.m. till this time. So really thank you Mahesh and Lakshman for doing a great job, and it's been an honor that you all are with us, and I think our team should give them a Stumps trophy which they can be cherished for from our PVA, from the team captains. Vijayawada team captain sir, can you please give a memento to Mahesh? Please give them a good round of a clap, guys. Without them, ground maintenance is totally impossible. Thank you, Mahesh. I think the bonus will look after from the President Saab. And another trophy to Lakshman from Sandeep sir. Thank you, Lakshman. So everyone forgets the groundsman part, because without groundsman, no wickets or no ground is ready, guys. So thank you very much, Lakshman and Mahesh, once again.
I request senior member of United CC, Mr. Fani Kumar, to please give his views about the tournament which we have conducted. Faniana, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, Santosh sir, to give me an opportunity to say some words. तो संजय बोल रहा था कि without groundsman nothing is here. Yeah, without groundsman there is no sportsman. Okay. So the Mahesh and the other guy Lakshman, वाले दोनों बहुत अच्छा कर रहे थे. आप दोनों ने जो विकेट बनाया ना बहुत अच्छा बनाया. दोनों को हैट्स ऑफ. ठीक है, आपके वजह से बहुत अच्छा चला. तो आप दोनों के बारे में मैं बता रहा था, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है, राइट. And about the game, the total tournament was fantastic. Beautifully conducted by the organizers, Sanjay and Satosh sir and Shailendra, everyone, each and everyone who is part of this organizing committee. And about the teams who has been participated in this tournament, like came from Maharashtra, Beats and Latur, Rising Stars, from Nellore, Usmanabad. You know, these people really, they're traveling from so far from that place to here. It's really amazing, because you know why? Because the organizing committee here is so good. They are taking care of them. That's the reason they are coming from some long way from there to here, and they're participating in this tournament continuously since 3 years, sir. Yes, sir. 3 years, yeah, absolutely fantastic, sir. Hats off to you, both of you. And we are very pleased to play in this tournament. No, obviously, why? Because last time we are the winners. so we'll come back, sir. We'll come back again next year. In fact, you asked one question before that. What was your plan for this finals match, right? We have a plan, sir. Actually, we thought that you people will score 250 and we will chase it. Unfortunately, it went down for 94, but still we fought well. Yeah, we fought very well.
Excellent.
So still we are 30 runs or 40 runs behind, but it's okay, no problem. It happens in the cricket. It's a game. It's a game. So we'll come back again next time in next tournament. And Sanjay, this guy is really a hard-working guy. In your team, most of the players are my players. I never felt that I'm playing against the opposite team. I felt like that I'm playing with my own team. So I felt very happy to be here, and I would like to continue this till my death. So I will play in this tournament. Even if you call me, I'll come with you. I'll play with you also. You give me a chance, okay? So I'll do that. And thank you very much. And आप लोगों को इकबाल भाई और आप लोग सब लोगों को मेरी तरफ से समीर और सब लोगों को आप सब मेरे बच्चे हैं, मेरे साथ खेल चुके हैं. सो मैं अपना अलग सा टीम नहीं सोच रहा हूँ. आप लोग मेरी टीम के आदमी हैं, समझे? ठीक है. तो फिर मिलके खेलेंगे हम लोग. अगर फिर से आएंगे और बहुत अच्छा टूर्नामेंट खेलेंगे. ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. And I congratulate Sanjay to winning this cup, and even my captain Mahan Kali, both of you. Thank you very much.
Once again, Vankin sir, not to forget the umpires as well.
Yeah.
So
Sorry. Yes. Sorry. Could you please tell me the names of the umpires?
Venu and his team.
Venu, I know Venu, and Vishwa has played for my team. I know Vishwa as well. Nowadays, Vishwa has become very old. Earlier he was young. Anyhow. Yeah. Vishwa and Venu, you both are so good, fantastic, great umpiring.
Well done, Venu.
I came to know that you guys are doing for HCA very well. I hope you guys will go for BCCI as well in the future. So,
request a small token of appreciation from
Yeah.
PVA.
both of you, also each one of them, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. For Venu, this one is for Venu. Well done, Venu. Congratulations. And Vishwa.
Well done, Vishwa.
అన్నా ఇది పెట్టండి ఒకసారి.
Yes, without umpires, nothing is possible here. Both of them have done very well, very well. No partiality here. So they have
The
done.
game changer of the match is the umpire.
Yeah, they have done according to their rules and regulations. So I appreciate them. Last but not least, happy birthday to your wife.
Thank you.
Okay, I wish her from my blessings and all. I give my blessings to her.
And last but not the least, the person who could telecast throughout this all the matches, who can broadcast our channels live. Thank you to the video streamers as well. They have done it excellently, video streaming. So I request him as well to please
Could you
come.
please tell me the name of the channel?
It's on the YouTube and Crick Heroes.
Oh, okay, combined.
It's a
together.
live, but their 4K resolution is on top notch.
Perfect.
So
Well done, boys.
Well done for video streaming. Well done for
Thank you
video
very
streaming.
much.
What's your name, please? Rahul. Well done, Rahul.
well done, Rahul
Very
and
good.
your team.
Very good. Congratulations, Rahul.
ఫణి సార్ నీకు ఇస్తాడు.
Congratulations, Rahul. We'll come again. Okay. और भी बहुत है मैचेस हम बुलाएंगे. Right?
So we as a PVA will be also hosting our next tournament, mostly in Goa.
Oh my goodness.
So we are expanding our wings, and we might be, having our next tournament under the banner of PVA at Goa.
At Goa.
No,
Yes.
one more thing, Sanjay. We will plan for Bangkok as well. Okay, get ready for that. Thailand. Okay, guys.
You can see that already one of my teammates is looking at his phone.
That's what I was saying. He's handling that bottle. I told him that why didn't you handle the bottle there itself? Because my player was ready to.
No, one more madam is there.
Oh, that's great. So let's plan for Thailand as well in the future, sir. Please.
Give us the opportunity.
We'll go and play together and in Pattaya and we'll enjoy their game and everything. You know that. I don't want to reveal anything here, but anyhow, congratulations everyone and thank you very much for this time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your time.
Now I request Mr. Pandurang Parekar the person who has provided us with the beautiful breakfast and lunch for all last 4 days. Mr. Pandu, please come on to the dais. And I request my president, Mr. Shailendra sir, to please present a moment to Mr. Pandurang.
I hope everyone liked the food, right? Yes, any token of appreciation for him? Thank you. The motto of our tournament was also, none of the players should be injured like me, like when I fainted a couple of days back before the tournament. That was my main motto, and not even a single person got dehydrated in this tournament. So that is the reason we had full of recharge. We have given them snacks from the family, and also we have given them refreshments of buttermilk and everything that we could provide. Thank you very much, and finally...
Now I request my president, Mr. Shailendra, to hand over a memento to our media partners, RBM Media,
Thank you, Mahesh.
Miss Nakshatra. Please come on to the dais. Can I have the claps, please?
Sorry that the presentation is taking a little while. I know
Yeah,
everyone is
please bear
exhausted.
with
The
us.
owners will look after from the...
I know you are eager to eat the
And,
dinner.
another trophy
It's
for
already
Lakshman.
late. It's around 11, 12. But the dinner is available. Don't worry. You can eat it. And now I request my president again to felicitate Mr. Abhijit from HACO, our business partner. We are dealers for HACO Sports Equipment Manufacturing Company. We deal with entire South India. We provide the grass cutters, we provide the road rollers and everything regarding to the sports. I request Shailendra sir to have a few words with Abhijit. And they have also sponsored the hats for our tournament, which we all used to wear in the last 4 days.
Thank you for your support. I hope you will keep on supporting.
I request Shailendra to have an interaction with Abhijit.
माझी अभिजित सर अभिजित सटकली
नाही सटकू नको
कसं वाटलं तुम्हाला म्हणजे तुम्ही 4-5 दिवसापासून हैदराबादमध्ये आहात म्हणजे द डे इट हॅज स्टार्टेड तुम्ही इकडे आहात थोडंसं I'll take in Marathi. Sir speaks in Hindi and English also, but I would like to still speak to him in Marathi only.
Marathi
Please
करणे.
give me, please excuse me for it. तर कसं वाटलं सर तुम्हाला?
नाही खरं एक्सपिरियन्स खूप चांगला होता आणि वाव इनसाइड LLP आणि हाको इंडस्ट्रीज साऊथमध्ये खूप जास्त आम्ही आता जेवढे ग्राउंड्स इथे म्हणजे डेव्हलप होत आहेत त्यामध्ये आमचे स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड इक्विपमेंट असतील बाकी सर्व इक्विपमेंट असेल त्यामध्ये वाव इनसाइड LLP इथे सर्वांना लाईक सर्व्हिस अँड ग्राउंड इक्विपमेंट हे सप्लाय करतं आहे सो आणि ग्राउंड इक्विपमेंट्समुळे तुमचे ग्राउंड्स डेव्हलप बेटर क्वालिटी होत आहेत त्यामुळे मॅचेस बेटर क्वालिटी होत आहेत सो बेटर आहे की तुम्ही वाव इनसाइडवर सध्या आम्हालाही खूप मजा येते आणि तुम्हालाही मजा येईल
और सर आपने जब ग्राउंड वगैरह देखा हमारा आई थिंक दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट विजिट टू स्टम्प्स क्रिकेट ग्राउंड तो आपको विकेट्स और ग्राउंड कैसे लगा है?
नहीं मैंने ग्राउंड देखे हैं इसके पहले भी बहुत सारे ग्राउंड देखे हैं बट स्टम्प्स क्रिकेट ग्राउंड्स का लाइक ग्राउंड मेंटेनेंस एंड उनका पिच प्रिपरेशन लाइक इट बेटर देन लाइक द ऊपर स्टेडियम
थैंक यू सो मच सर एंड आपको माहौल कैसा लगा फाइनल्स का यहाँ
माहौल
जो जमाया
फर्स्ट
है?
क्लास यस माहौल इज फर्स्ट क्लास जो 40+ लाइक उनको लगता है कि लाइक अभी एज हो गया नहीं खेल सकते हैं बट उनके लिए ये टूर्नामेंट लाइक उनके लिए एक बेनिफिट है कि हम आज भी खेल सकते हैं
सर किसने बोला यहाँ पे 40+ है? हमने तो बोला नहीं ये 40+ का टूर्नामेंट है बोल के चलो थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर योर encouragement and you are being one of the prime sponsors for this entire tournament. I thank you and we expect that you will continue this support for coming our
Sure, sir.
next edition at Goa and next to that in Pattaya also.
yes.
Right, sir? Thank you. Thank you so much.
I request Abhijit to stay back to hand over the winners trophy to the V-Hawk Hunters captain Mr. D. Sandeep Kumar.
महेश भाई वो है गार्डन में
या सर तुम्ही या तुम्ही पहिला वरती या नाही
I request Sanjay.
Request Sanjay to come on the dais, please.
बहुत मेहनत किया सर
Can I have claps, please, for the winners of Platinum Cup PBA Tournament 2025 Ping Ball Tournament? I request the VHawk team to join Mr. Sandeep. VHawk team, please join Mr. Sandeep.
अरे चेक कर रहे बेटा लक्ष्मण चैंपियन है तो चैंपियन है ना भाई
अरे लक्ष्मण आशीष सामने अरे आशीष अरे जल्दी इधर इधर
You have to keep your mouth open, huh? Like this.
Yeah.
It will fall.
अभी आई
आजा समीर जल्दी
अभी आ जाओ नहीं 1 मिनट
चलो जाओ जाओ समीर समीर भाई एक बार भाई हो गया नहीं उठता जाओ
साइड में जल्दी महेश आ रहा है रवि सर आ जाओ
हम लोग क्या करे ए नहीं
आओ सर एक मिनट आ जाओ संतोष सर आ जाओ
अरे जा रहा महेश
उधर उधर एक
लक्ष्मण आ जा
लक्ष्मण इधर आ जा राइट साइड
हाँ सावा ना पूरी गवर्नमेंट
सर बैलेंस ले
हिप हिप हुर्रे हिप हिप हुर्रे हिप हिप हुर्रे अरे अपना वीहॉक
పక్కన తోస్తే నీళ్ళంతే
थैंक यू everyone. Thank you.